Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and back to the LT4 install on this 2017 Silverado. Today, we're going to be putting on the pulley system on the front of the engine. So let's get to it. Look how nice this is. ICT billet. Okay, so here's our whole kit right here. Just got it out, got instructions. We're going to get started. First thing we need to do is we need to take off the belt, the original serpentine belt on the truck. We're going to go ahead and build up our bracket and all our pulleys on it and everything like that.
We have both of our idler pulleys on and we have our ribbed pulley. And Brandon's gonna check my work.
Yes, I am. Okay, well, we're done with the pulley system. So tomorrow, we're gonna move on to the spark plugs. So we'll see y'all then. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. We're going to start by putting in the new spark plugs. So you have to change the spark plugs to one step colder. So we've got our NGKs right here. We're gonna put in. So let's get started. I've already gapped the plugs. We gapped them to 25 thousandths of an inch. From what I've read, that seems to be where you want to gap them on a supercharged application. All right, well, that's gonna be it for the pulley system and the spark plugs. Next up is gonna be the supercharger install, so y'all get ready for that. That's gonna be epic. If you would like to catch up on the rest of this install, you can check it out right here. I wanna say welcome to all our new subscribers, and I wanna thank y'all for all your support and watching us. Hope you're enjoying the content. Thanks, y'all have a great day.